Okay, so very good afternoon, everyone, whoever online and you all also. So the next chapter which we have, that is chapter number 10, the government and the economic development. So in the previous chapter also, even we have learned some important thing about the economic development of a country, what how it is important, how India also faced lots of challenges after the independence economically. Okay, for the improvement of economical condition of the state of the country. Okay, so need for a government. First topic what we have is the need for a government. What do you think? What are the needs of a government? Why we need a government? Very good. For the functions of a particular country in better manner. Starting with the formation of rules and regulations. First duties what India also done after independence is the formation of rules and regulations, constitution making. Very good. So first thing is come start with the making laws, with changing any rules. अगर मान लीजिए any rules is there, any laws is there which we need modify. We need modification in that law. We need to change something. We need to update that. Okay. तो इस तरह से कोई भी rules already आ रहा है which is since a long time. We need some changes then, or we need to add some new rules, new laws over there. So that is the first responsibility of a particular government. एक गवर्नमेंट का सबसे बड़ा रोल है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. और भी बहुत सारे फंक्शंस है. गवर्नमेंट वर्क इन सेवरल सेक्टर्स फॉर द पब्लिक एज लाइक गवर्नमेंट वर्क इन द फील्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन, गवर्नमेंट वर्क इन द फील्ड ऑफ हेल्थ एंड केयर. तो रूरल डेवलपमेंट्स. Okay, and providing electricities, providing water supplies, providing lots of facilities in agriculture sectors also. So there are several work which a government used to do. Okay, so these all things we will learn in this particular chapter. So for the functioning of a particular country, it is very necessary टू बी ए गवर्नमेंट. एक गवर्नमेंट होना जो है एक कोई भी कंट्री का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर द प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ दैट कंट्री. ओके, एंड इट इज द इंस्टीट्यूशन. ये एक ऐसा इंस्टीट्यूशन है वो मेक पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिकल एंड सोशल डिसीजंस टू गवर्न ए कंट्री. सो पॉलिटिकली ऑल्सो इट वर्क्स. ओके, एंड आफ्टर देन फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ इकोनॉमी ऑल्सो एंड फॉर द सोसाइटी ऑल्सो. तो तीन चीजें यहाँ पे हो सकता है, ठीक है. पॉलिटिकल लाइफ फॉर द इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम, फॉर द इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ द सोसाइटी और सोशल सिस्टम, एंड फॉर द इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ द इकोनॉमी. ओके, सो ये तीन चीज में बाकी सारा सब टाइप्स आ जाता है. ऑल द थिंग्स कवर अंडर दिस थ्री थिंग्स ओनली. सो फर्स्ट थिंग विच आफ्टर देन it also work for controlling a particular country or particular states. Okay, कोई states या countries को control करना, the I mean in the matter of laws and all. क्योंकि security also provide ना, the governments provide security also. अगर आज पुलिस का काम है is maintaining law and order, so these all things also taken care by the government only. So if government is not will not be there, then who will gonna to look these all things? So this is also one of the important functions which government have. So these are the things which we are going to learn further. First is the need of government. Why we need government? That things we already discussed some pointers. So if we talk about the any society, any places, any countries, so then the इंटरेस्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट पीपल्स कैन बी डिफरेंट. जैसे कि मान लीजिए वट एवर आई want to do or whatever the interest which I have, that can be vary from person to person, that can be not liked by another person. Okay, मेरा interest कुछ और हो सकता है and किसी और का interest it can be vary. Okay, that another people, another persons may not be like. Okay, तो वो interest जहाँ पे vary करता है, then at that time discrimination happens. तो यहाँ पे disputes होता है शुरू, और यहीं से जो है आगे इस तरह से violence create होता है. ठीक है, so like this type of clashing of interest among the peoples or a group of peoples or any things, this cause any conflict like this, any situations like this it creates. तो उस समय problems create होता है जब दोनों का सोच मैच नहीं करता है, ठीक है. However I am thinking, whatever I am liking, another people cannot be the thinking cannot be the same, their like dislike cannot be the same. Okay, so that varies from person to person, and when this varying things happens, at that time the discrimination started and that time the fight starts. तो ये जो है to so that to restore these all things, ये सारी चीज को restores करने के लिए and to ensure the cooperations among the peoples, it should be the cooperative मैनर्स. आई मीन दोनों का अगर लाइक डिसलाइक है ये मैटर उतना नहीं करता है. आई मीन द बेसिक थिंग इज द अंडरस्टैंडिंग. अगर हम लोग का दोनों का कोऑपरेशन सही है और मेरा लाइक अलग है और आपका भी लाइक अलग है, देन इट कैन बी ओके. बट यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम होता है इन व्हेन द कोऑपरेशन इज नॉट देयर. ओके, सो दिस ऑल थिंग्स हैपन एंड ए नीड ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाज फील्ड. और इसके लिए इसको मेंटेन रखने के लिए इसको आई मीन क्या सही है क्या गलत है, टू एंश्योर दिस वी नीड सम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, समथिंग, सम सिस्टम. ओके, सो दिस सिस्टम इज स्पेशली इज द पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस व्हिच इज नोन एज गवर्नमेंट. इसी के अंडर में लॉज एंड ऑर्डर्स भी आता है, कोर्ट्स आता है, जहाँ पे अगर मान लीजिए किसी का लड़ाई हो गया, इस तरह से आर्गुमेंट्स हो गया, डिस्प्यूट्स हो गया, दे कैन गो टू द कोर्ट, दे कैन फाइट फॉर दैट, दे कैन आई मीन डिसाइड देयर, एंड वहाँ पे फाइनली एज पर द रूल्स, एज पर द लॉज डिसाइड होगा हु इज राइट एंड हु इज रॉन्ग, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट फर्दर will be happen. So this is the basic work of a government, to maintain the cooperations among the people, to provide the facilities to the public, all the facilities, all the required facilities. Okay, after then functions of the government, what are the some of the functions which government used to do? Let us see. Next topic which we have, the functions of the government. फंक्शंस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, मतलब गवर्नमेंट कैसे काम करते हैं, या व्हाट आर द सम फंक्शंस ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. ओके, फर्स्ट द गवर्नमेंट परफॉर्म्स वेरियस फंक्शंस. बहुत सारा फंक्शंस, देयर आर डिफरेंट फंक्शंस व्हिच गवर्नमेंट परफॉर्म्स. ओके, सच एज मेंटेनिंग लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. फर्स्ट फंक्शंस व्हिच द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ ए गवर्नमेंट इज मेंटेनिंग लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. ओके, हाउ ए गवर्नमेंट मेंटेन्स लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, कैसे मेंटेन करते हैं? Any idea? You might have observed in case of some religious functions or something like दुर्गा पूजा वगैरह होता है, या इस तरह से जुलूस वगैरह कहीं निकलता है, तो the police force are appointed over there. तो वहाँ पे पुलिस फोर्स अपॉइंट किया जाता है. For which purpose? किस लिए किया जाता है? हाँ, exactly, to ensuring that there should be no any violence, there should be no any discrimination, there should be no any fight like that. Okay, so this is the ensurity, or this is the facilities which, this is the functions of the government to provide the securities over there, to provide the police forces over there, so that the violence should not create. Okay, so this is the most functions to maintain the law and order. Okay, next is providing basic facilities. Basic facilities में क्या क्या आता है? What are the basic facilities comes under? Exactly, very good. So starting with the food, हम लोग बोल सकते हैं खाना. आप देखना गवर्नमेंट जो स्पेशली वीकर सेक्शंस या those who are belong from SC ST, गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड फूड्स ऑल्सो विद वेरी लो रेट, राइट. वो लो कॉस्ट में जो है खाना प्रोवाइड करते हैं, ग्रेन्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं वो लोग को, ठीक है. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग, फूड. आफ्टर देन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. ओके, एंड even if you see in the government schools, students also get the uniform, right? तो clothes भी provide करते हैं. हाँ, cycles also for the going to school. So see, so these all are the facilities which are the called the basic facilities which a students should get. This is indirectly actually the education. The purpose of these all things is the education only, providing education. So this is also the most important thing which need. After then taking actions on social issues, कुछ अगर social, if as anywhere such type of any social issues create, so the government will take actions on that issues. अगर कोई someone is violating the laws, someone is not following the rules, someone is going against the rules, so these all things is taken care by the government or the government system. Okay, after then, protecting the boundaries, this is the most important things, as like we have learned in our previous chapters also, even ki the other countries every time, especially which country, Pakistan, they want to acquire the area of India, right? So वो चाहते हैं हमेशा कि एरिया को थोड़ा थोड़ा हम लोग जो है बढ़ाते बढ़ाते जाएं. So these all things, to protect this is the most important thing. This is also one of the functions of government. Okay, if a organization like this is not there, then who will gonna do these all things? Okay, so undertaking relief measures, if somewhere we need some special relief, as like this happens in some time of emergency situations, as like flood or drought, इस तरह से कोई कहीं situations आ जाता है तो emergency funds relief का जरूरत होता है. Government used to provide relief for those. Okay, खाने का जरूरत हो सकता है, वहाँ से move करने का जरूरत हो सकता है. There are several things required at that time. So this happens especially in the case of this type of situations, this type of natural disaster and all. Okay, after then making rules, which we have discussed the first. So this is also one of the most important thing. Here we shall study about the economic presence of the government, but here we will focus on the economic part. Okay, how government functions economically, or what are the functions of government in economical sector. Okay, so economic presence of the country. Next topic which we have is the economic presence of the country. How India can be strong in economically? कैसे हो सकते हैं? Can anyone tell me any measures that these are the basic thing which government need to keep in mind or need to work on for the improvement of the economical condition? What do you think is the basic thing which we need to work? Giving education is one of the most important thing. Other than that, improving healthcare. Okay. Means you can say indirectly by improving the public facilities, providing public facilities. These all things can be done by planting more and more industries. Okay, so that will provide all the facilities, that will provide jobs also. Okay. So the effectiveness of the government, कोई भी government का effectiveness, if we talk, then it is measured by the economical condition of the particular countries. कोई country का economical condition कैसा है, according to that a country is judged. जैसे एक आदमी को इससे जज किया जाता है कि वो कितना rich है, कितना पैसा है उसके पास. So like that, a government is also judged like that only. If whoever the economical condition is very good, that country's progress is judged by like that. This is very nice, very good improvement. Okay, so this is things happens, and after then, especially is judged by the work which the particular country is doing, especially in the field of welfare of the peoples. तो आदमी का जो भी public या जो भी peoples रहते हैं in that particular country, how the government is work for those people, how the government what the government is doing for those people living in the particular country. So this is the most important thing which we need to check for the economical growth. Okay, and social welfare is possible only when there will be economical prosperity. So this cannot be happen if or until and unless we improve the economical conditions of peoples living over there. Okay, this queries well developed this requires well developed infrastructure. So हमने ये भी डिस्कस किया था कि for this all things we need a particular infrastructure, a good infrastructure. Infrastructure में आता है whatever the facilities we are providing, it is coming under that only. Okay, so first pointers which it is coming in the economical presence is the infrastructure and basic facilities. So what are the infrastructure and what is the basic facilities which a particular country is providing? Okay, so infrastructure refers to the basic structure or requirement of the development for a country. So basic structure एक prepare करना है कि how the people will get benefit or how the facilities will reach to the government. For example, अभी आप लोगों को याद होगा कि in earlier days, पहले के दिन में क्या होता था, government used to give the facilities to the poor people or the farmer also, but that up to reaching to the common people, the money or the facilities which is providing by the government, it cannot be reached to the lower level people. उसके बीच में जो भी mediators होते थे, they used to, I mean, just take the some part of that. तो वो अपने पास रख लेते थे और वहां तक पहुंचते पहुंचते बहुत कम बचता था. But nowadays you can see the government what used to do is, government have all the account numbers of all the peoples. So directly government used to give any support if want to give to the public or to the those type of people. As like if we take an example of farmer को आप लोग को पता होगा कि इस तरह से कुछ facilities government देते हैं, directly उनका account में चल जाता है, ठीक है. So this is the system which makes to improve that. Okay, and this is possible when economical property. This is required a world. So this comes under the infrastructure, or you can say the facilities which government is providing. Okay. For example, यहाँ पे और भी examples दिया गया है. The facilities which government is giving are transportation. The most important thing. आप अगर देखोगे transportation in earlier days, this much of facilities are not there in the field of transportation. Even in today's time also we don't have so much good facilities in transport. अभी भी आज का डेट में अगर हमको यहाँ से कहीं एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट में जाना है, it takes a 12 to 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours of time. राइट, यहाँ से आपको कहीं भी इस दूसरे स्टेट में दूसरे जगह पे जाना है, इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम. बट आप अगर कहीं और का देखोगे एज कंपेयर टू द इम्प्रूव्ड नेशंस, आप देखोगे इट टेक्स वेरी लेस टाइम. सो दे यूज फास्टर मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट एज लाइक फ्लाइट और स्पीड ट्रेन्स एज कंपेयर टू दिस नॉर्मल ट्रेन्स. तो हाई स्पीड ट्रेन्स जो आता है वो यूज करते हैं, या तो और भी देयर आर सेवरल मोड्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट विच दे यूज्ड. Okay, so those transportation system maybe we need more improvement, but still it improves very much as compared to the early days of mode of transport. So transportations we need to work on, and even this is the most important economical or infrastructure to which required. After then, electricity. In earlier days, if you have someone grandfather or grandmother, you can ask them about the electricity facilities available in your locality. It might not have at that time, but nowadays if you go to any particular rural locations also, you will find the electricity facilities are available there. Okay, but still we can see in some of the rural areas electricity cannot be available 24/7, or if something happens like I mean any small wind comes, then electricity goes, like this type of things happen. So these all things we need to improve, and these electricity facilities providing those, if any particular locations is still left, then those locations should also get. So this comes under the facilities of electricity which government is providing, right? After then, education and healthcare. So no one is unaware about the education system of the government, right? So that should be improved, but still it improved as compared to the previous system. Previously this much of schools was not there, this types of facilities was not there in the government schools, but nowadays government is trying best to improve these all things, but still we need more improvement in this infrastructure which government is providing. Healthcare, if we are talking about the healthcare facilities of India, also not so much good as compared to the developed nations, because here you can see the beginning of the COVID-19 situations. आपने report सुना होगा, at that time there was not so much of testing facilities, and there was not so much of I mean facilities of keeping the people, those who have high risk of death, as like उसको क्या बोला जाता था, जिसमें वो लोगों को रखा जाता है उस तरह से, एक किट्स होता है, एक सिस्टम होता है जिसमें अगर उनको मतलब प्रॉब्लम होता है अगर ब्रीथिंग में, तो डायरेक्टली ब्रीथिंग के लिए उनका मतलब लंग्स तक का एक पाइप लगाया जाता है, पाइप ट्रांसप्लांट किया जाता है, उसके थ्रू वो जो है ब्रीथिंग लेते हैं, ठीक है, सांस लेते हैं. तो वो किट भी हमारे इंडिया में उतना अवेलेबल नहीं था एट दैट टाइम. ओके, बट नाउ इट्स इम्प्रूव्ड, एंड कोई, हाँ, loudly please, not getting, हाँ, नो, इनहेलर नहीं बोलता, कुछ और बोलता है उसको याद नहीं आ रहा टर्म्स। ओके, सो विल लेट यू ऑल, अगर किसी को पता है आप लोग बता सकते हो। ओके, एंड आफ्टर देन, few more facilities. I mean, we need to improve a lot in not only in the case of COVID-19. You can see if we are talking about the health facilities of this locality also. Do you think any such type of good hospitals do we have near about this? For any particular emergency case or any high risk case, we need to go to Patna, right? So Patna जाना पड़ता है, and during that time the risk of I mean survival is very less. तो कभी कभी उस केस में लेट हो जाने की वजह से काफी पीपल जो है वो नहीं सर्वाइव कर पाते हैं उतना देर। तो दिस ऑल सिस्टम नीड टू बी इम्प्रूव। ओके, हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम्स में बहुत इंप्रूवमेंट का जरूरत है, एंड द सेम वे एजुकेशन ऑल्सो वी नीड टू इम्प्रूव ए लॉट। सो दीज आर द फैसिलिटीज स्टिल गवर्नमेंट इज ट्राइंग टू गिव एज मच एज पॉसिबल। फिर भी बहुत काम किए हैं गवर्नमेंट, अगर देखा जाए तो। अगर नहीं रहते गवर्नमेंट तो प्राइवेट सेक्टर्स जो है they used to take lot of charge and all. Okay, but still nowadays private में ही ज़्यादा लोग prefer करते हैं in any case, if we are talking about education also, even in medical field also. Okay, so the government works for the welfare of the peoples. तो people का welfare के लिए ही government काम करते हैं in any sector. कोई भी sector में आप बात करो, everywhere you will find the government system is there. It provide basic facilities to the people. Basic facilities में क्या क्या आता है, such as water supply. अभी तो कुछ नहीं है water supply, everyone is having their own. But if you talk about the earlier days, what the water supply, how government used to provide, you know, वो एक टैंकर में आते थे. They used to come with a tanker. एक टैंकर पानी लेके आते थे. Like this picture you can see somewhere the picture was shown. यहाँ पे आप लोग हाँ देखोगे यहाँ पे, हाँ, in page number 148 you can see one picture is given wherein one tanker is there and lots of people they have in queue. तो वो लोग लाइन में लगे हुए हैं कि मेरा बारी कब आएगा, एंड लाइक दैट उस टाइम जो है दिन में एक बार में 2-3 बकेट जो है पानी रख लेना पड़ता था फॉर होल फैमिली। Okay, and for the bathing purpose also, the particular area in rural areas especially, they don't have so much of good access of water. They used to go to the river and all for the taking bath. Okay, so these all things are there and improve nowadays, and more improvement is required in the field of water. Okay, so this is one of the most important supply of water is given by government. After then, electricity is the most important thing which you should aware about, that this is providing by the government only. Government देते हैं, ठीक है। बहुत सारे places होते हैं wherein private companies also used to give, as like if you talk about our locality in Jamshedpur, Tata company is there. Also the Tata company also provide electricity, and Jharkhand government also have their own. Bihar government also have. So government basically provide electricity. It's not free of cost, it could take charges, but it's provide the facilities. Okay, तो यहाँ पे दो तरह का प्रॉपर्टीज होता है, एक पब्लिक एंड एक प्राइवेट। ओके, तो पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी स्पेशली इसमें आता है, ठीक है। गवर्नमेंट जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चलाते हैं, दैट दोज आर कम्स अंडर पब्लिक, तो पब्लिक के लिए होते हैं, ठीक है। सो दिस कम्स अंडर पब्लिक। सो यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हो गया, एंड आफ्टर दैट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड हेल्थ केयर। ओके, सो इन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द, now suppose it is not possible कि everyone is having a own vehicles to go from one state to another state. तो एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट में जाने के लिए, इवन एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे जाने के लिए भी अपना व्हीकल सभी का पॉसिबल नहीं है। तो what they used to do is they used to take the help of the public transport which is comes under government properties. Okay, and जैसे ट्रेन हो सकता है, ठीक है, बसेस हो सकता है, it can be government bus and all. प्राइवेट बस भी आता है, प्राइवेट ऑटोज भी आता है, प्राइवेट ट्रेन्स भी आते हैं, ठीक है। बट गवर्नमेंट बेसिकली प्रोवाइड्स मोस्ट ऑफ द फैसिलिटीज। ओके, आफ्टर देन हेल्थ केयर एज वी डिस्कस्ड, एजुकेशन। ओके, दीज आर आफ्टर देन बिल्डिंग रोड्स। बिल्डिंग रोड्स इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, मेंटेनेंस एंड बिल्डिंग्स ऑफ द रोड्स। Okay, not only buildings, maintenance also used to do. Government used to maintain if some roads damaged and all. Okay, this is also one of the important functions. After then breezes, somewhere if suppose required breezes. Here also you can see in Bihar also there are several places where it takes a lot of time to go from one place to another place if there is no any road or there is no any breeze are there. So यहाँ पे few days back I got to know कि if we want to go from here to one of the locations that from this side, this if we go from this side it takes very less time, but here we have one river, so we have to cross that river. Okay, and but if we go from this side, from Lakhisarai sides, then it takes near about 5 to 6 hours. And but if we go from this side it takes only half an hour or 1 hour. So but here we can't go with our own vehicles because we have to cross the river. Okay, so this thing happens. So for that, what government can do is government can construct a bridge to reduce the long distance, right? So it helps the public, it helps the economic development of the peoples over there. Then if the economic development of people happens, then definitely country's economic also will be developed, right? So these are the some of the basic things about the economical system. Now we will discuss about next in economic infrastructure. What are the economic infrastructure and social infrastructure? These are the two things which we will discuss, and this much only which we have in this chapter. Sure. Now this is 5th period. We'll join back.